Hello friends, welcome to Original Hub channel, and in this video we are going to review the Game Pass that we have got with the Acer laptop. And nowadays many of the laptops are providing the Game Pass, free Game Pass, 3 month membership of the Game Pass. So we are going to see that whether this Game Pass is of any worth or not. Okay, so I'm going to show you this Game Pass straight away. This is the Xbox we have got. Okay, see, we have got the 3 months free access of this Xbox, and I have downloaded few of the games. Want to show you that which games I have downloaded so far. I have downloaded the Age of Empires 4, Age of Mythology. Okay, and I have also downloaded the Microsoft Flight Simulator and other games like the Sims 4, Rise of Nations. Okay, and it is also the Minecraft. Okay, also I have installed the Minecraft. Okay, so I also want to show you that it which games it actually having that you can play for 3 months free of cost, and there are no charges at all. Okay, so you can see here recently added to Game Pass. These are the games: Indiana Jones, Overthrown, EA Sports. Okay, this one, and Aliens, and there are more games like Forza Horizon. So I just want to give you the overview that the free games that you can play. See, with this one, like with Game Pass, so it is free. So like this, it is mentioned under every game, like the Game Pass, Pass. Like if I'm going to click on this one, so it mentioned here, like if you want to buy, then it's around rupees 6499. Otherwise you can able to install it free of cost, and you can able to play it for 3 months. I will play some of the games for you and will show you that that it looks really fantastic. It looks like the original, because it's actually the original. The complete game will get downloaded in your laptop, and then you can able to play it. So like this one, I'm going to open this one, the Sims 4. Okay, I'm going to click on play, and here see, this game I have already downloaded. So I can simply click on play after downloading the game. Then it will take a few minutes to load the game, and it will start. So these games you can play for 3 months, and after that it will charge you around $6. That is around 500 rupees per month. If you can pay, then I don't think it is too much expensive. You can go for it. Okay, so you can see. So I have got this Game Pass with my. I have purchased the Acer laptop, and you can check while buying any of the laptop that the Game Pass is free or not. And see, it means that 3 months of membership. It means I have got it like 1500 rupees of benefit I have got. So I will click on play now. So it's working smoothly. You can see there is no hanging, nothing. So it is loading smoothly. Okay, you can see the game has been started. Okay, you can control it. You can see there is no delay at all. There is no hanging. Animation is correct. Everything seems to be perfect. Okay, it's actually the real game. If you will buy this game, then it will cost you around 6 7 thousand rupees. But you can play for 3 months, and it's a good time. Like 3 months is really a good time that you can play. Okay, so see, so yeah, game is working fine. Okay, so uh you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to show you more games, okay, straight away, so that you will have clue that which kind of game you can play in Game Pass. Okay, you can. So I have also downloaded the flight simulator. Okay, that is the air flight. But I'm going to show you the Age of Empires 4 as well. This one I have downloaded. Okay, this is very famous game, so I'm going to play it. It will take few minutes to load. So you can see that you can play the Age of Empires free of
بشنوید
cost. Age of Empires 4,
همین
that is the
همبرم
latest version of Age of Empires.
دیدبان آری بلی
So game is working perfectly. You
آری
can see there is
سوار
no
همی روم
delay, no hanging, no
همی جنبم
everything is working perfectly.
بلی آری فرمان همی برم
So like this, you can play such award-winning games here as well, free of cost for 3 months. Okay, see the games here that are available. I want to show you all PC games. It is having 454 results. Okay, so there are 454 games are available. You can see here, so many games are available. There is no end. You can install any of the game and can play for 3 months. You can see so many games are available here. Very famous games are available here as well. Award-winning games. Okay, so these are so many games, and here you can also sort it like most popular, coming soon, leaving soon. Okay, so such kind of filters you can also add. You can, okay, of your choice. So I think you can have this with any of the laptop. If you are going to buy the new laptop, then do consider that this game pass is available or not. Okay, so you must be having some space for downloading, and you see my system, my laptop is having 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB, sorry, 512 GB of hard disk SSD. So that is the minimum configuration that is required for playing most of the games in Game Pass. Okay, so you can also try this. Whenever you will buy something, you can check that the Game Pass is available or not, free of cost, so that you can enjoy the games. And one more thing I want to tell you, that you can download such games like here it is mentioned with every game that this is available or not, and if it is not available, then you need to buy the game. So there are many games. Here you can click on the Game Pass games, and those games will come that are available in Game Pass. Okay, so I hope that this video will benefit you and will give you the clarity that whether the Game Pass is of any benefit or not. Okay, so thank you so much.